Hey everyone, today we are talking about one of the biggest business events of the year, the China Development Forum 2025. Some of the world's top CEOs are flying to Beijing to talk business, investments, and the future of the global economy. But here's the twist, Apple CEO, Tim Cook, is skipping it. What's going on? Does this mean US companies are pulling back from China? Let's break it down. Small blue diamond emoji, what's the China Development Forum, and why should we care? Microphone emoji, every year, China hosts this major business summit, inviting top executives from the biggest companies in the world. It's their way of saying, hey, we're open for business, come invest. This year's event is especially important because China's economy has been struggling with slow domestic demand, US tariffs, and an uncertain global market. So, they really want to reassure foreign businesses that China is still a great place to invest. Film projector emoji, cut to past forums, handshake moments, economic discussions. Small blue diamond emoji, who's attending? Microphone emoji, some of the biggest names in global business are showing up, including white tick mark emoji, from the US, Qualcomm, FedEx, Pfizer, Blackstone, Chubb, white tick mark emoji, from Europe, Siemens, Nestle, Deutsche Bank, BMW, white tick mark emoji, big banks and finance, HSBC, BNP Paribas, Societe Generale, white tick mark emoji, pharma and tech, Novartis, AstraZeneca, Unilever, Hitachi, SK Hynix. Despite all the economic uncertainty, these companies still see huge opportunities in China. Film projector emoji, show company logos appearing on screen in a quick montage. Small blue diamond emoji, but wait, where's Apple? Microphone emoji, here's where things get interesting. One big name is missing, Apple. Tim Cook has been a regular at this event for years. He's always been one of the strongest advocates for doing business in China. But this time, he's not going. Why? Well, there are a few possible reasons. Small blue diamond emoji, Apple's shifting focus. They've been expanding in India and Southeast Asia to reduce dependence on China. Small blue diamond emoji, regulatory concerns. China has been tightening rules on data, security, and foreign investment. Small blue diamond emoji, slowing sales in China. Apple's market share is shrinking as Chinese brands like Huawei and Xiaomi gain more ground. Film projector emoji, cut to a graph showing Apple's declining market share in China. Could this be a sign that Apple is slowly pulling back from China? Let me know what you think in the comments. Small blue diamond emoji, why does this forum matter? Microphone emoji, this summit isn't just about China, it's about the entire global economy. China is trying to bring in more foreign investment after a rough economic year. Big businesses are looking for clear signals on China's future policies before committing big money. And despite all the trade wars and tariffs, China is still a major player in global supply chains. Film projector emoji, quick animation of global trade routes with China at the center. Small blue diamond emoji, what happens next? Microphone emoji, so, what should we keep an eye on? Right pointing finger emoji, will China roll out new policies to attract investment? Right pointing finger emoji, are US companies quietly reducing their China presence? Right pointing finger emoji, and is Apple's absence just a one-time thing, or is this a bigger shift? Film projector emoji, quick clips of business meetings, stock market updates, and global trade discussions. Speech bubble emoji, do you think China can regain investor confidence? Speech bubble emoji, are US businesses like Apple slowly pulling out? Drop a comment below, let's discuss.